Hi everyone, welcome back to my DevOps Career YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a Windows EC2 instance in AWS based on a real-time corporate requirement. I will explain each requirement, every step in AWS console, and why we do it so even a beginner can understand clearly. So let's first understand the requirement we received from the application team. They want a Windows EC2 instance in the Mumbai region with the following details. So why Mumbai region? So we are using AP South 1, which is Mumbai, to reduce the latency for Indian users and to meet data redundancy requirements. Server name. The server name is application server, which helps in easy identification and management. When it comes to operating system, Windows Server 2019 base is selected because it is stable, widely used in enterprises and supported by Microsoft. Instance type, we are using T3 Micro, which is cost effective and suitable for low medium workloads. So now let's go into AWS console and check how we can do this one. So this is my AWS console where I have logged in with an IAM user which has administrative privileges on this account. So now let's go for the search box and search for EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud, which allows us to create and manage virtual servers in AWS. Okay. Now click on Launch. So this is where we create and define the configurations for our virtual machines. Okay. So here I will give the instance name as application server. Okay, and this tag helps us identify, manage, and apply billing or automation rules later. Okay, next we'll select operating system, which is AMI, Amazon Mission Images, we'll call it as. I am selecting, okay, Windows, and I am going to select Windows 2019 base. So Windows 2019 base is the operating system I have selected now. Okay, which comes with the pre-installed Windows, and AMI defines the operating system and base software for the instance. Okay, now we'll go for and select the instance type. I will select T3 Micro, which is a free tier, which is eligible for free, which provides a good balance between performance and cost. This is commonly used for testing small applications and training environments. So next we'll go for the key pair. Okay. So since this is a Windows server, the key is required for decrypt the administrator password. So I will create a key pair, name it as Apache application key pair. So I have given the key pair name is Apache application key pair. So I will download the PEM key. So always store the key pair securely because AWS doesn't allow re-downloading the key pair again. Okay, now let's go for network configurations. Okay, so I will click on edit and I will use the default VPC. which is automatically created by AWS. So in the subnet selection, I will select AP South 1A, which means the server will be launched in this availability zone. Availability zone provides highly availability within a region. So now we'll go for the security group. Okay, I will create a new security group. Okay, I will select on this security group and I will name the security group as a Apache Server SC. Apache Server SC. SC means security group. So security group will act as a firewall, okay, to control the traffic for your instances. Okay, so by default, it allowed RDP on port number 3389. So we can connect the Windows server on port number 3389. In real-time production environment, we should restrict access to specific IPs for the better security. Okay. For now, I have opened anywhere from anywhere so that anybody can connect this server over the internet. Okay. Next, I will go down. So now let's review the configuration. Okay. So I have given the name and I have selected the operating system, which is a public AMI, which consists of operating systems. I have selected the 3 micro, which comes with 2 CPU, 1 GB RAM. This is a on-demand instance. Key pair, which is used to log into EC2 instance. Okay. So I have selected default VPC and a subnet in availability zone 1A, and I have enabled a public IP to connect it over the internet. So I have created a security group. It means virtual firewall for Windows server. So I have allowed 3389, which is used to connect the Windows server over the internet for the requirement for now. Okay. So I think everything looks good. So let's click on this launch instance. AWS will now provision the Windows EC2 instance for us. Okay. So let's click on this instance. Now we can see the server, application server, which is in running state now. Okay, which comes with T3 micro instance type. It is launched in AP South 1A. Mumbai region has 3 availability zones, 1A, 1B, and 1C. We have a requirement to create the server on 1A. So I have created here. Okay, let's wait for some time. Let's the status checks will come for 3/3. Now we'll try to connect the EC2 instance. Select the EC2 instance which we have created now and click on the connect and go to RDP client and you can download the RDP file here. Click on download. The file has downloaded. Click on this one. It will open the RDP prompt to connect the EC2 instance which we have created now. So it's asking for the password. To get the password, you have to supply the private key which we have created for this EC2 instance. Click on this get password. So it's asking for wait for some time. We'll wait for one more minute and we'll try to connect back later. So I came back. Again, I'm trying to click on connect to retrieve the password. Get password. Upload the key pair. So I have downloaded the key pair to this one. Let me go to the download. This is the private key pair which we have created for Windows Server. Let me decrypt. The password has generated. Copy and go to the RDP prompt where it is prompting for password. So here it is asking for password. So I will give the password. Click on OK. Yes. Now you can see we have logged into Windows Server, okay, which is act as a virtual server. Virtual server. So today we have created a Windows EC2 instance in AWS Mumbai region. Understand every configurations and learn why each step is important. This is exactly how EC2 provisioning happens in the real-time corporate environments. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. I will see you in the next AWS training video. Okay. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my DevOps Career YouTube channels. So I will always be trying to post only the real-time content. So it will be easy to understand if somebody doesn't have how the real-time environment works. Please subscribe. Thank you.